not going to board for the Islamabad flight, and hopefully you're going to enjoy it in the next one, because now I'm going to shoot the next vlog in Pakistan when I landing back in Pakistan, and I'm going to show you around Pakistan. I'm going to meet my family, so this journey is going to be fun. So just stay tuned with us for more videos. Subscribe our channel. Don't forget to give us the comments if you want to see any specific place in Pakistan, if you want to see any specific hotel, restaurant, or any tourist place that you want to see in Pakistan, because I'll be in Pakistan for next 2 to 3 weeks, so I can show you around there. If you want to visit Pakistan and if you have any queries regarding that, just don't forget to comment me and ask me about it. I will definitely be supportive to you, and I will support you in your all the queries. It was a long journey, but at the end what matters is that you are going to get a reunion with your family. So that was the only motivation that I had all throughout this journey. So yeah, that's all. Stay tuned. Thank you. Take care. Alright, so here we are going for the boarding now, and my boarding is like this. I'm sitting in zone 4 and terminal C5 I have. Alright, so we are done with the boarding verification. Now we are going to board the plane. Yeah, I think it's already 2:15 and we have 25 minutes left to fly, and in 15 minutes we'll be flying. So, thank you. Yeah, one more thing, guys. Here they have took my luggage. Sorry, not the luggage, the hand carry bag. They said that I'm gonna get my hand carry in Islamabad along with my other luggage. So I'm only allowed to take my laptop bag with me in the plane. Yeah. Hello guys. Okay, so we have already boarded into the plane. So in 20 minutes we are going to fly. So I'm in the same flight, but this flight is pretty crowded, unlike the one that we took from Kuala Lumpur to Doha. That one was pretty empty, but this one is crowded. It's almost every seat is filled with the persons who are flying from Doha to Pakistan. And yeah, in this video we are going to tell you that from the travel from Doha to Pakistan, and then in Pakistan I'm gonna meet my family. That's gonna be a more interesting and more fun for my viewers. So yeah, now this flight you can see almost ready to fly. We are on the runway, and let me show you how. I think it's dew on the mirror because it's pretty cold outside here. It's early morning, around 3 a.m. in the morning. Okay guys, I don't know which place is this, but here we can see that there is snow on the mountains. It's definitely not Pakistan, but it's somewhere around Tehran and Pakistan. So I'm not sure which exactly the place is this, but I'm really anxious to know about this place, because we're flying from Qatar to Islamabad, and I never knew that there we will find some place where we can find the snow. I'll find out tomorrow. Okay everyone, so here we are already in the airspace of Islamabad now. So yeah, it may just take another 20 to 25 minutes to land down. As you all know, and if someone doesn't know that, let me tell you that as Pakistan is an agricultural country, so you can see all these fields. This area is specific for the agriculture, so they grow wheat, sugarcane, rice, and all those kind of things are grown up here. So yeah, you can see these water streams are coming out here, tube wells, everything that is needed for the agriculture. The government is struggling to do that for the farmers. One more thing I want to tell you, that the new Islamabad International Airport is a bit far from the mainstream city area of Islamabad. It's like almost 40 to 45 minutes drive away from mainstream Islamabad. Before that it was in Rawalpindi, the Islamabad International Airport, but that was not actually an airport, international airport. That was a army air base. So that later, like I think 5-6 years back, they have shifted the new Islamabad International Airport to this area. This is called Fatehjan, the area specifically known as Fatehjan. So now this is the newly built airport for Islamabad. So that's why maybe you are not able to see the high-rise buildings here, the mainstream city area, highways and everything, because this is not the mainstream city. It's just like the KLIA, as KLIA is a bit far from the mainstream Kuala Lumpur or Putrajaya. It's just like that. But this is called the motorway, Max of Pakistan. This motorway leads to Lahore, Peshawar, Faisalabad, and same goes to the Samad, Mardan. Yeah, so this is the main highway. This area is mostly plain, but in the surrounding there are the hills, and on the right side, as I cannot move my camera to the right side because plane is I'm sitting on the left side of plane. But on the right side there are the Magila hills. Yeah, that is another hill range. Start from the Margala. Okay, so we are almost down and almost going to land now. These are the newly housing societies that currently started building only after when the Islamabad International Airport has been inaugurated. Okay guys, so here I'm gonna touch my motherland. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and we are landing. Okay. Thank God, thank God. So here we have reached Pakistan, sound and safe. Inshallah, the next part will be more amazing, because after this I just need to clear the immigration, I just need to clear the COVID SOPs thing, and then my family must be waiting outside there for me. So I'm extremely excited to meet them. I'm extremely excited to meet my parents, meet the kids. I really miss them. So stay tuned with me now. I will get back to you only after clearing the COVID section, because that is more important. I heard a lot about it that in Pakistan they are pretty strict with this. So let me just clear that one and then get back. Thank you.
For the local time now is 7:46 in the morning with the outside temperature 17 degrees Celsius. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened.
So here's the Air Blue. This is a domestic airline for Pakistan. It's no more a domestic now. Actually, they have already gotten the license to fly from Pakistan to Manchester, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, everywhere. And the other PIA is the Pakistan National Carrier, Pakistan International Airline. Okay, so I'm done with the immigration and the COVID counter, and now I'm waiting for my luggage. So here's the belt number 2, and I wait for my luggage because I already have 2 luggage from the Kuala Lumpur, and one my hand carry was also sent to the luggage from Doha. So we need to wait for that. I think it's gonna take a bit longer than usual because it just started now. The flight has landed just now also. It's okay, it's not mine. Hopefully it will be soon. Because just now I saw one very beautiful thing here. You can see this is the truck art. This is a very famous truck art of Pakistan. Mostly in Pakistan, if you see trucks on roads, I will show you around as well. You will see this kind of art on those as well. And this looks really beautiful, and people spend millions to get this truck art done on their trucks. Like sometimes it reaches to twice the price of a truck to get this art done if there is someone who is like really willing to do it to that level. So it's something like this. So yeah, let me show you. It's done something with the aluminium and the stickers and colors. I don't know what exactly the materials they're using, but this one is really amazing. You can see from here they have created different kind of animals, peacock, duck, and yeah, something like that. Yeah, you can see everyone is waiting here for their luggage. Okay, so just now I received my hand carry already. It's here with me. Now I'm just waiting for my other 2 luggage. So I think the luggage has started just now. because before that only the hand carriers that were transited from Doha to Islamabad. Got our luggage now and all set to go. Now let's go to the final immigration counter, and then from there we need to move ahead. Just to tell you that my family hasn't arrived yet to the airport. Actually, I told them to come only after I land at the airport, because I was thinking that it might gonna take some time, like maybe around 1 hour or 2 hours, because it was a COVID situation. Apart from that, whenever I came back to my country, the immigration counter always took a lot of time. But today, I guess there was only one flight that landed just now, so I was alone at that time. So I came out in less than 30 minutes. So yeah, because of that my family is not here yet. I'm waiting for them now. Normally family waits for you, but today the thing has gone wrong. But it's okay, it's fun. I told them not to come, I can get the taxi, but no, my dad says no, we are coming. So now they are coming, I'm waiting for them. I think they'll be here soon, maybe in 10 to 15 minutes, and then we are going to continue. I just wanted to share this story with you, that a mishap has already started with me on the Pakistan International Airport with me. So I have reached Pakistan, and that's my love, that's my daughter. I love her so much, and that's an asshole actually. Yeah, he didn't meet me, he didn't actually recognize me. He just straight away got scared and ran away to his grandfather, and he didn't recognize me. Anyway, it's okay, later he will do that. Never mind. But yeah, we have reached safely, and now we are heading towards my house, and here we are going. So yeah, this is where I'm going. There's my luggage in the next car. And let's go. I think that's it for now. So then bye bye. Say bye bye. Okay, I think she's still not comfortable with me, but so she's going to be featured in my vlogs, because she's going to be with me in each and every vlog that I'm going to shoot after this. Right, Shadav? Huh? Okay guys, thank you everyone. Stay tuned with us. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to watch this series of these vlogs, because only then you are going to have a lot of fun after this. Thanks, bye bye, take care.